Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have access to Cpanel and control of DNS. Now start. First, open Cpanel and go to Email Authentication or Zone Editor. You need the domain and a selector name, often default. This lets you rotate keys later. Once done, generate or locate the Dkim public key in Cpanel's email authentication area. Make sure to copy the entire key string. Small truncation breaks verification. Also record the existing DNS TTL so you can revert timing if needed. Now you add the Dkim TXT record in the DNS zone editor. Create a new TXT with the name formatted as selector. Domain key. Your domain, for example, default. Domain key, example, com. Paste the entire public key into the TXT value. If Cpanel asks, include the v equals Dkim1, k equals RSA, p equals. Prefix. Once done, set TTL to 3600 for testing. This speeds validation. Then save the record and return to Cpanel email authentication to enable Dkim so the mail server signs outgoing messages. Finally, verify that DNS propagated and the key is correct. Use a dig or an online Dkim lookup for selector. Domain key. Your domain to confirm the TXT appears and matches the full public key. Key length must be intact. Once propagated, send test mail and inspect headers for a Dkim signature that shows pass. If it fails, make sure you didn't accidentally add spaces, omitted characters, or misnamed the selector. Then resave, wait for propagation, and test again. One careful change usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.